Hello YouTubers, back again with the second video of the silver brazing on copper and brass, making this elbow onto this karcher pressure washer. So as you guys saw in the first video, we did that first connector, and I did the other one outside the video. The only thing is I should have waited till it fully cooled down. When I was soldering that one, I had the clamp on and it wasn't that much tight, but that nut started to collapse from the heat. So I quickly tried to put that one there, which was what is getting connected, and I got the thread in anyway, and I was starting to twist it, and next thing the bloody thing started to create a bit of a fold on the bottom. Anyway, it's still I just blew with my mouth like and it's not leaking, so hopefully it'll work. So yeah, now it's first time doing a silver brazing on brass or copper on these connectors, creating a bit of an elbow to go on the thing. So what we'll do in this video is we'll put this together and start the pressure washer. It's quite a hot day. I wouldn't spray the car. It's probably about 30, close to about 40 degrees outside, I reckon. The other thing I did was when I was trying to so once it got cooled down, I put this original washer in and I tightened that thing, and then it was a bit outside the, when I clamped it in, it was sticking. Oh shit. How can I tell you guys, girls? So it was at full clamp there with the rubber seal. It was sticking up like that. So I took it off, and next thing I found out that rubber o-ring was completely destroyed. So I had some rubber floor mat kind of thing I used for a job on the car. So I cut some rings like that and used a little punch tool to create a bit of a hole in the middle. I think it was that one there. Yeah. You just put it like that and bash it in. These punch tools have been great. They helped me a lot. So I'll put the camera on the God, the wind's been crazy today, guys. See, Australia got a history of warm weather, going back millions of years, recorded by the indigenous First Nations people. I hate telling Aboriginal because it just feels like the wrong word to use. Indigenous First Nations people, that's what they want. That's what Indigenous people want to be called. We shouldn't be saying they. Just there is a word which is quite a bad word. I reckon in English language it just creates division. Anyway, so the soldering, the brazing went quite well. There's a bit of a that's the only bad thing. There's a bit of a lump which came up there. Apart from that, I think the brazing is quite good. I would do it again. I was a bit scared initially, but I wouldn't clamp. Next time if I'm doing it, when I do that thing, I would clamp it there. Once that fully is done, because when I did that one, I had clamped there on the actual nut, and it on the outside of there, and it didn't push that round circle outside, because you can. So that's the connector which goes there. Oh my god, that's destroyed as well. We need to cut another rubber. So that thing was quite good. It worked. See that? It goes in quite well. Just that one there, when you clamp it around there, that amount of heat. I wish I had a heat gun to see how much heat it generated for that 5% silver to melt. Could be another project, another little video to do in the future. So in the future I would clamp it. Once that's done, I would clamp it there on that nut back again, and then soldered, got two little soldered on the sides, and then turn it around, and then use that same point. Use the same point and then go around here. It's very challenging, I tell you that. Not easy. All right, let's put this together. What we'll do is we'll we've got the rubber seal we cut, put that in there. Just gentle hand tight of that. Still got the bloody head cold. Let's move this out of the way. We'll zoom in to do the pressure washer. I got the hose connected outside as well, so we can test the pressure washer. That's the other thing I did was use a 22mm wrench to do the. I had to undo these bolts because you guys still see it there. Let's have a look from behind. Oh yeah. I'll bring it a bit closer. Yeah, and I had to undo this motor completely because there's rubber around it. I couldn't get the thing to turn like that with that elbow on, so I had to create a bit of space there because of this bloody bracket there, which was what was cutting the initial pressure hose. See, now we can tighten it like that. I'll show you here. Grab the camera. Hopefully I'm not gonna 9 minutes for. So yeah, see it's hitting. And once you lift it, it's start hitting. So I had to undo the 4 bolts on the bottom, and it worked all right after that. Need to get a proper video camera to do all these YouTube videos, guys. Yeah. So 22mm. Tighten that bad boy. And lift this up, and then take that other piece, which is the one there. That rubber ring has completely got destroyed as well. Here's my soldering rod. Use that to take that seal off. So yeah, I don't think I'll. Maybe I should do it. It's another seal I cut. Maybe I should use the bit loose though. What's the diameter on the other one? I might just use the original one the other way around. So that goes. Yeah, I'm really keen to see how it works. But I'll buy another connector, and if this works, I'll do a proper one without that bloody bend. The next one. This is 23. The other thing I had to do was, that nut didn't go into that connector quite well. I had to use the Dremel tool to do a bit of grinding on the inside to get that to fit. That's done. Let's tighten this. We need a tightening wheel. Quick connect now, guys. So you go from. So I've got two quick connects on the pressure washer, so it's easy to remove and push the cars and put it together. You can do a bit of four-wheel drive. You get a bit of mud in the cars. It's not cheap, the hoses too, like when you want to buy them. So I can connect here now. And where's the gun? We'll use the other head. in. We need to connect the wall. Put it here, so a little bit of a guide here. In case if it starts to that's good. One. We need to go chalk. Working. Is it recording still? Oh yeah. The pressure is just crazy. Oh my god. You just gotta hold it. Maybe that's the gun. The small gun's just got too much pressure on it. But yeah, no, it's good. So it's holding up quite well. See there? So it's not hitting. Even if it hits that one, might just turn that a little bit up. Yeah. Job well done. Another one. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next one. Take care.